Hello, my name is Robert Waikel. I work at Fort Wayne Metals in the maintenance department. Being in the maintenance department, I work on all sorts of machines that is used to produce high-end medical wire. At Fort Wayne Metals, we produce medical grade wire for all sorts of life-saving devices. Our wire goes into just about anything you can imagine that gets implanted and used in the human body, such as stents, pacemaker leads, bone screws, guide wires, cables, and such. I have been with Fort Wayne Metals for about 11 and a half years. I started with the company in November 2008 as a furnace operator. Then I became a wire drawer. I spent about 8.5 years making wire around the company, and I was starting to get a little bored with making wire, and I always wanted to learn how the machines work. I love working on things, and this pushed me to start working to get myself pointed in the path to maintenance. I moved into the maintenance department in June 2017 with a lot to learn. I was excited to be working with my hands to repair things again. I moved into our preventative maintenance program within the maintenance department. This meant that I would take machines offline one by one and go through them top to bottom, looking for worn components, oil leaks, bad shafts or seals, or any other issues that could cause unplanned downtime. We do this to keep the machines running smoothly, and it greatly reduces the amount that the machines break down. This keeps our productivity high and our product moving through the pipelines. I worked in preventative maintenance for about 6 months. It was a job that came natural to me. I was having a lot of fun, and my boss liked seeing the work I was doing. I was offered a promotion to a maintenance technician position at the beginning of 2018. I was nervous about the duties I would be doing, but I love troubleshooting problems. The way that my mind works, I love problems. I'm a fixer, and I really enjoy taking a machine that isn't running right or won't run at all and repairing it. I've always liked working on things. During high school, I went to the Anthus Career Center and was in the automotive program. I had worked on cars since I was able to hold a wrench. It was natural for me to want to work on cars. During my time at Anthus Career Center, they had started working with AYES to start an internship program within the automotive program. They picked 11 kids to work at area car dealerships as interns. We would learn hands-on how to diagnose and repair various automobiles. I picked Donaire's Honda. After my internship, I was given a full-time job and remained at Donaire's Honda for about 6.5 years total. I really enjoyed the work, and I had never planned to leave, but the opportunity to go to Fort Wayne Metals arose, and I took a leap of faith. During my time at Donaire's Honda, I received training through the Honda training program. I would go to Troy, Ohio, to the dealer school and get hands-on training for about a week at a time. Had taken a few ASC tests and became ASC certified in steering and suspension and in braking systems. These certifications gave me bargaining power for more pay. Working at Fort Wayne Metals, I've done various schooling. During my time in the production departments, I took classes with Ivy Tech Community College for the Advanced Manufacturing Certificate. I would do this after work a couple of nights a week, and I really enjoyed the classroom work. When I started working toward moving to the maintenance department, I shifted gears and went to Freedom Academy. I took classes to learn various topics within the industrial maintenance field. At the end of the classes, we took a certification exam, and I earned a CMRT certification. The CMRT stands for Certified Maintenance and Reliability Technician. This was very exciting to earn this certification, yet I still don't have a degree. Since my promotion to maintenance technician, I have decided to go back to school yet again and get not one, but 2 associate's degrees through Ivy Tech Community College. I am just finishing my first semester in the industrial technology degree. I will earn a 2-year degree in industrial technology with an industrial electrical certification. I will then finish the next degree with 15 more credit hours and achieve yet another two-year degree in the automation and robotics program. I have a long road ahead of me, but I'm looking forward to the challenges. I was born near Bremerhaven, Germany. My father was in the army, and I lived in Germany until I was around a year old. After my dad finished his tour in Germany, we moved back to Fort Benning, Georgia, until I was about 6 years old. We came back to Northeast Indiana, particularly Fort Wayne, when I started kindergarten, and I have lived here since. I live in Northeast Fort Wayne with my wife and my kids. It has been a very great area to raise my children. Fort Wayne Metals isn't exactly close to home, but I love working by the airport. I really enjoy watching the A-10s from the 122nd Fighter Wing fly around during my lunch breaks. Family, work, and many of the various attractions around keep us grounded here in Fort Wayne. My wife and I really enjoy living in the area. A typical workday for me is getting to work. Our shifts overlap by 10 minutes, so we can talk about the machines that we're giving operations issues during the off shifts. They hand over any issues that have not been fixed, and we get our tools and such together and go out to work. I will work on everything from changing a bearing in a pulley to doing total mechanical rebuilds. We also diagnose and repair many of the electrical components on the machines. With the work we do, the components are always changing, so we are constantly changing out old, obsolete parts with newer technology. We are always learning. It keeps my mind fresh, and I have really come to enjoy the constant challenge with learning.